Hi, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Rosa. So today I got some extra sweet potatoes left. So guess what? We're gonna try some roasted sweet potatoes in my air fryer. So these are fresh from the market that I bought the other day. So today we're gonna put them in the air fryer. I'm gonna put some olive oil on them. Drizzle them with some olive oil. Yes, like 2 tablespoons. Mix it up a little. I love sweet potato. I don't think I really could get tired of eating sweet potato. I like sweet potato better than regular potatoes, really. I'm also going to be making some chicken tenders in the oven fryer. But I'm going to dip them in ranch dressing. And then I'm going to put some panko on them, breadcrumbs, to see how they come out. It'll be my first time using that kind of recipe. I'm trying to see what I cook with this stuff because my son don't eat sweet potato, so I have to cook a different side. I was gonna cook pasta, spaghetti and meatballs today, but I changed my mind. So once you drizzle it with some olive oil, you get some salt, sea salt if you like. I like sea salt, so that's what I use. A little bit of that. Let's go with my little. No, not that. No. Oh, some parsley. To taste. So, like I like this a little sweet. I'm gonna put a little bit of brown sugar on them. That brings out. Well, the salt brings out the flavor, but the brown sugar gives it another little bit of sweeter taste. It's funny because my granddaughter's father bought this for me by mistake. And we thought we wasn't going to use it, but see, I use it a lot. Sprinkle them a little bit with a little bit of brown sugar. Mix it up. You could use any kind of olive oil. There's a lot of different olive oils now. Like I go to this place, it's called the Olive Oil Market, and they have all kinds of different types of olive oil, like cranberry orange. I got a chocolate balsamic. I don't know what to do with this one yet, so if anybody has any suggestions on what I can make with this, just let me know. I know that there's a strawberry.
What is it?
It's chocolate balsamic vinegar in the start. And then I also have green apple olive oil. No, this is green apple olive oil with balsamic in it. And this one is coconut. Really good on coconut to make shrimps with it. And this one is strawberry. This one is so good. It tastes just like strawberry.
Oh, we got it from?
We use it from the Olive Oil Market. It's a store we have out here in downtown Ocala. That's exactly what it's called, the Olive Oil Market. See? And well, I'm going to be putting this in the air fryer. I'm going to put them on the rack. I'm going to put them from like 350 degrees. I'm going to start with the, no, not 350 because I want them roasted. So I'm going to put it at 400. And my air fryer has 3 rows. So I could put this in there at the same time, put the chicken. But I'm going to have the chicken on the bottom and this on the top. So none of this chicken does not fall on my vegetables. And let's see. Oh, and we're also going to make, because I also learned that I could put frozen vegetables in my air fryer to roast them also, just like this. So this one has broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower. They call it California Medley. So this should be yummy too. So we're going to have 2 types of vegetables. This mostly, this one vegetable and this another vegetable. Then the chicken. So once I'm going to prepare this chicken, just cut it up and clean it up. And then when I get to prepare it, then I'll come back on the video and you guys could see the next step. Okay? Thank you. Hi, welcome back. So I already cut my potatoes. I seasoned them with the olive oil like I told you, and some light brown sugar and salt and they're ready to go in the air fryer. So this will be the first tray, and I got a little bit in the second tray. I'm also going to be making broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower also grow, but like this cooks faster than that. So this will go, because this is frozen. Yeah, I cheated. This is not fresh. But it's okay, because sometimes you find fresh stuff good, and sometimes you just use frozen. Because my son don't eat sweet potato. So I'm going to do a new thing today. I bought these little chicken tenders things, so I'm making my own. I put some ranch dressing on it, and I seasoned it with parsley and a couple of others, you know. Just mostly ranch, because I didn't want to add too much stuff to it. So I'm going to put them in this breadcrumb, which is panko. This is my favorite breadcrumb. Okay. And they're going to go inside the air fryer. And see how this comes out. It's going to be my first time, you know, putting ranch dressing before this cooks. They're going to go on the bottom because I don't want them to get, you know, no chicken stuff on my sweet potato. Let me just spray this a little, just in case. Let me spray the chicken. So let me put this one in here. See? Let's see how these come out. Put them like this. Another one. These hopefully will come out nice and crispy and brown. I'm making white rice with it because, you know, I always have to make rice in this family. But that's already in the Instant Pot, like I always told you. My favorite little gadget over there. This is my second favorite also. I love my air fryer too because I don't have to use so much oil. Well, you don't use any oil on this. Just sometimes you put it on the meat itself. Here goes another piece. So, like, this part is boring. Once this is all done, it's going to be in the air fryer. I'm going to put the air fryer to about 375. I'm going to cook it to like, I'm going to put it for 20 minutes and I'm just going to keep checking and see when it's done. When I find out the exact time, then I'll let you know. When it's halfway done, I'm going to turn them over so they could brown on both sides. And then I'll put my vegetables in, which I also season them with Old Seasoned Bay. That's what you call that? Let me find out. Because sometimes I say things the wrong way. Old Bay seasoning. Because my daughter will see this video and say, Mom, you said it wrong. But it's okay. Because I'm Spanish. So, once this is done, then I'll come back and show you guys everything already all cooked up. Or when it's halfway cooked. Alright? See you later. Welcome back. So, everything's in the air fryer. The rice is almost done. So, let's check what's going on in here. So, it's very hot. These are the sweet potatoes. Ooh, they look pretty good. Right there. Right, baby? They look yummy.
Delicious.
Some nice roasted sweet potatoes.
Delicious.
And there goes the chicken tenders. I had to put some of them with that. So, yeah, this is still okay. This is still cooking. So, what I'm going to do, now that this is already cooked, we're going to change the racks. But let's take these sweet potatoes, put them on top of this. Because these are already all cooked. So, they don't have to be. And then I'm going to move this rack to the higher top because I don't want these cooking anymore. So this will be in the top here. Take this, oh hot, and put it up here. And then put this back on the bottom. Back on the bottom. So it doesn't cook that much. Okay. Now back to the oven. So the chicken tenders could cook. We only got the rice just finished. So that means we have 10 more minutes, 9 more minutes to let it rest. And then this will be done. And then we'll put the vegetables in. So technically the chicken tender takes about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Sweet potato took me like 5 minutes in that air fryer. It's like Speedy Gonzalez over there. And because I chopped them up small because I don't like big chunky ones. So once it's all done, I'll come back and I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay? Thank you. Hi, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Rosa. So everything seems to be done. The broccoli and the cauliflower all came out pretty good. Tasty, yummy. Little, and the chicken, that's part of the chicken. I took some of that out already. Here's the other side. Let's see. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, nice. Nice and crispy. So I'm going to serve this with some ranch dressing on the side, or for dipping, or barbecue sauce, and some white rice, and sweet potato, and vegetables. That will be our dinner for today. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions on any of the things I made today that you need to know, that I might have forgotten to tell you, just put a comment on the bottom. You can like and subscribe, and thank you for all the new subscribers that I have been getting. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I hope you're enjoying all my videos. I'll see what I could think about to make on my next video. I don't know yet, but eventually I'll think of something to make. So see you soon, and thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, one more thing. I forgot to show you the finished product. See? Rice, the vegetables, sweet potato, and the chicken. And then we have 2 dipping sauce, ranch dressing and barbecue sauce. And most important, we got some wine. So, there you go. Cooking quick and easy. Okay, see you soon. Bye.